The Cosby Show?
Difficult choice. I know, kind of creepy question. That's okay.
I'm Suzanne Mioulet. I'm a brand and campaign manager in the electricity sector. It's communication. I've been working for 20 years in advertising agencies. Before I started, I became an independent communication specialist. Just one, in fact, but a very long one. It's been for almost 8 years now at the electricity company. In fact, it was a colleague of mine who represented me to Miriam at the time being, one of the associates. And I chose to work with them because the concept of the seasoned professionals kind of grew on me, because I had 20 years of experience, and I thought, okay, that's a place where the experience is valued. It was the professionalism and the way they treated their people. I really thought it was really nice. I immediately felt home and appreciated. That even in very challenging situations, we try to talk directly to our customers in a very human and approachable way, without hiding the more negative things. So really getting the tone of voice right. Serious, trustworthy, and very stable.